Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're not familiar with me or my channel, my name is Dan and welcome. It's this summertime and I'm living in Israel, so it's very hot season. So that's why I'm gonna share with you a popsicle recipe. If you like it, let me know in the comments down below and I will share with you another recipe in the near future. Promise. So the recipe I'm gonna share with you, it's kind of like banana slash peanut butter recipe popsicle. And the materials you'll need are 2 ready bananas, 2 full tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and cup of almond milk. First of all, peel the skin from the banana and simply just add the rest of the ingredients into the blender and blend them really well. After you close the lid, I like to blend my mixture really good, so that's why I press on the close button. That way it's not consistently mix up the mixture. In that way you can check if you have left any like banana chunks. You have to mix it really good before you pour it into the mold. Well, obviously for that recipe you will need a popsicle mold. I like to use silicone because it's much easier to release the popsicle afterwards than using plastic. I don't know, I don't have a great experience with plastic molds, but you can give it a go. And you will need popsicle sticks. Now gently pour your mixture into the popsicle mold and fill the cavities until the end. Now I got that popsicle mold with a lid, so it's not necessary, but it is necessary if you want to leave the popsicle stick right in the middle. It's not must. Now grab your popsicle stick and push them not until the end, just until you have like 2 centimeters left, because you need to hold your popsicle with something. Pop your popsicle mold into the fridge, not the fridge, the freezer. It's very important. For 24 hours. After your popsicle has been hardened, it's time to add the topping. For the topping you will need 300 grams of dark chocolate, about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and almonds. First I want to tell you that I crushed my almonds and separated into like very thin powdered almond and chunks of almonds, so I can make like 2 kinds of topping. So heat up your chocolate and olive oil in the microwave about 10 seconds and repeat the same process until the chocolate is being melted. Do not heat your chocolate for 1 minute because then it will just burn the chocolate. Give it a nice stir until it's silky smooth and you don't have left any like chunks of the oil or the chocolate. Now it's really the fun part. Dip your popsicle into the chocolate, but be careful, do not dip it twice because the chocolate, first of all, the chocolate hardens really fast. And if you dip your popsicle twice in the chocolate, it will come out very hard to bite at the end, so I don't recommend it. So after you dip your popsicle in chocolate once, sprinkle a bit of the almond sprinkles or the chunks, whatever you like it, and then your popsicle are ready. It came out amazing. It's like the first time I'm making the recipe for the last few months. My family really liked the recipe. I hope you will like it too and you will try this at your place. So if you like the recipe and the video, give it a big thumbs up so I will know. And subscribe to my channel down below for more future videos or more future popsicles videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.